strong, and they required of me a song. Just before the new millennium, they came to tell me that the time had come. Upon the stage, I told everybody, I'm gonna be a daddy. We sang 2,000 in, then climbed a mountain to pray, give way to this, a brand new day. And as the first light cut the dawn, I heard a voice come clear and strong. The mountains you have climbed, the children will fly from. The mountains we have climbed, our children will fly from. See the mountains we have climbed, our children will fly from. Rushed to the hospital, condition critical. Some thought that you might not make it through, but they didn't know what I knew. This day, a ray of hope would be born. 222's the time that gave me to you. You smiled, my child, so bright, and I knew those words I heard. Oh yeah, they spoke of you. The mountains we have climbed, our children will fly from.